Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a print head alignment on an Epson XP6105. Now this can be done directly from the printer without the use of a attached PC. So if you're not already on the home screen of the printer with a display like this, just press the home button to go there nice and quickly. And what we're going to do is use the arrow keys to move along until we get to maintenance. This is outlined in red. Press OK to go in. And the print head alignment is the third option down. Now, I'd recommend running the print head alignment if you're getting like hazing around characters on your prints, or things just don't look quite right, quite aligned. You'll get like one colour kind of poking out the side of another, or letters will appear twice just kind of slightly misaligned, or even, as you can hopefully see in the display image there, you get like little breaks in characters, so they're not quite aligned. So we're going to press OK to go in. Now, as you can see here, it's asking whether you want vertical alignment or horizontal alignment. Now, vertical alignment is for more like the hazy printing I was mentioning, where things just look a little bit fuzzy. Press the circular arrow button there, takes you into an example. You see this A, it's kind of fuzzy where everything's kind of a little bit out of whack with each other. So that's the vertical one, and the horizontal one is for more regular lines. So go into that, you see you just got lines going down there, or things are not aligned from, top to bottom. So, depending upon which one of those you've got, just go on in. And to be honest, it's pretty self-explanatory from here. We'll print the sheet and we'll take a look anyway. Now, after a pretty lengthy printing process, we get a sheet like this. And you get little prompts on screen, kind of basically asking you which of the blocks has the most stripes on it. See the number at the top, the number on the side here, and identically on screen there. So number 1, hopefully you'll be able to see this. The block with the least amount of lines is number 3, which looks almost perfect. So the default is 4, press minus to go down to 3, that's okay. Go back and look at number 2. And it's looking like between 3 or 4. If you're not sure, just go for the one that looks best. I think we're on 3 again. And you just work down the list, just fine-tuning how your printer prints and improving the general quality. So I'm going to carry on going through this now. If, however, you selected the horizontal print, you'll get another sheet that looks like this, but the process is very similar. You're just looking for which of these looks the least like the colours are overlapping. And as you can see on the top one here, just like it's a slightly darker blue on number 1 where it's overlapped, and you're just looking for one that's perfect but also doesn't have a gap in it like this one here. So you find the sweet spot, select it on your printer in the very same way, and hopefully you'll see an improvement in your print quality. If, however, you have other irregularities with your prints, your machine also has the ability to do head cleaning cycles, nozzle check pans, bits like that. I'd recommend doing these if the alignments don't help, and you can find videos for these on our channel as well. But hopefully you found this useful and you've now got decent looking prints. If you have, please do let us know with a like. Otherwise, please let us know anything else you'd like to know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.